What's going on, guys? So today I'm shooting with Taylor, and we've got just a simple 2-light setup that's kind of got a beachy vibe. We've got a little palm tree branch, which I clipped off my palm tree earlier. And we just got, like I said, we got 2 lights. Our main light is just a diffuse beauty dish, just to kind of give some nice, soft, beautiful light. And then our second light down here is a Pulsey Buff Digi-B with a red gel at full power and barn door. So the reason the barn doors are there is so you can kind of flag the light so the red light doesn't hit her directly. I get a little bit of bounce off that wall, but by having it at full power placed really close to the wall, it's kind of going to go from like yellow to orange to red, so it kind of has a gradient on the wall, and then this light is just hitting her. And finally, we've got a V-Flat World foldable V-Flat on the black side, just to kind of help so the red light doesn't bounce off the other side of the cyc wall over here. And then we also have a fan just to kind of give a little bit of movement. So we're going to go ahead and shoot a little bit, and then we'll show you what we got. All right, Alexa, play. All right, perfect. Come left just a little bit, right there, perfect. Awesome. Come forward just a tiny bit, right there, perfect. Awesome. And I'm gonna turn the fan up just a little bit. Just get a little more. And look towards the fan a little, just so we can get that hair going. Awesome. Perfect. All right, and that's great, awesome. And do a couple more, and one more. Perfect. All right, so that's pretty much it. So again, we've got just kind of a 2-light setup with the red gel down the bottom here, beauty dish diffused as the key light, and then if you look over here, this is kind of what it's creating. So it's going to be kind of yellow to orange to red gradient, more of a pink almost, and then paired with her outfit, it's got a really cool beachy vibe.